Hey everyone, it's Apache here and welcome back to another episode of Sebtech Ages here on the KreekCraft server. Thank you for joining me today and continuing to show you support for the series. If you do enjoy this episode, please leave a like and a comment, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe as well. Over the last few episodes, we've been continuing on with the immersive engineering stuff, gearing our way up to the end of Age 3 with this advancement here, plasticity. The plastic moulder from modular machinery will convert liquid plastic into plastic sheets. In order to get the liquid plastic, we need to turn the liquid propene that we got last episode into liquid plastic. Now hopefully we'll be able to do these two today. I'm getting a bit tired of doing all of this now, so I just want to get it over and done with. So I've built up a load of stuff here. First of all, we're going to need the actual blueprints for them. So we have the plastic moulder here, which is 2 paper and a blue dye powder. And over here we have a water bucket, paper and blue dye, which creates the liquid processor. And we get the bucket back, which is nice. I'm going to need that. So next we are going to need to work out what we're going to need for all of these. If we go to the actual recipe for this, say the liquid processor, that one, we can see the structure preview for it here. This is what we're going to need to build, and we can see the things for it here. Now what we're really interested in is machine casing, or machine controller, and these bits at the bottom. That is one fluid input hatch, one fluid output hatch, and a energy input hatch. And then for the other one, which is the plastic moulder here, you can see it's a bit of a smaller machine. So here we're going to need one machine controller, 14 machine casings, a fluid input hatch, let's make this one roll around, a item output, and a energy input. And so to make these, I've got the recipes for them all here. Hopefully what we're going to need, we have the energy input hatches here, so we need 2 of those because we've got 2 machines. Here we have 2 of the fluid input hatches. Here we actually need an upper rather than a hopper, so one hopper creates an upper, and then that will go into, I think it's there, to give us a small item output. And here is the fluid output as well. So all we're going to need now is the actual controllers. Now I've built up a few more circuit boards here as well, so I can grab 2 more of them out. So they go into there. What else do we need for these? We need machine casing, LV wire coil. Got some in here where I've been storing stuff. So we need those. We need a machine casing. And we're going to need, what else? I'm going to need some more of the plates, and they're all over here. And then we'll make up some gears as well. So you need 4 gears in total. So here, no, in this one, we have another few stacks. Let's just grab all of them, just to make sure we've got enough. For everything we're going to need. Not sure how many machine casings we're going to need as well. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're just going to need the redstone gears. So in here I've got none left. I've got 2 of them there, so I'm just going to need 2 more. I think it's 2 each. We can check that. If we pick this up, it is, doesn't actually tell you how much. These usually tell you how much. If we pick up this one, we can see, okay, it doesn't say material cost. I always thought it did say material cost, but it doesn't. Never mind, I think it is just 2 of these. Let's have a look. So if we make 1 of them, anytime today. And we'll see if we can make another. Nope. Need a couple more. Okay, it's actually 4 we need. Actually 4 each. But there is the third one. So we just need one more. 1, 2, 3. And come on. Let's go. Excellent. And that will cool down there. So there is the first of the machine casings. Now I've got 23 of these. We're going to need 20 for one and 14 for the other. These create 2 each. So we're going to need, I think that will be enough to do both of these. There's the other one of them. That goes into there. We get another machine casing, and that is everything we're going to need for this. Do I have in here? I've got 9 fluid pipes. That should do it. So let's head back on over to where we're going to set these up. You can see I've dug out a little bit here for the first machine. So that is going to be the liquid processor here. Let's put it onto this one. So it is a circle with one of them as the, I think that's the energy. Yep. Let's have the energy coming out of here, I think. So we're going to need energy and machine casings first of all, like that, and then next we have next layer up on either side. We have the fluid output. Oh, on that side, okay. So we're actually going to want this bit here, so that we can put the output on this side. That is the fluid output there. We have a fluid input here. Or is it better to do it on this side? I don't know. I think this will be okay. And do we need anything else on this layer? Looks like it, yes. That's machine casing, machine controller. Oh, machine controller has a completely separate, or a completely same view as machine casing. And that will go here. And then machine casings there and there. And then I'm assuming everything on the top is just machine casing. Like that. Now we're going to need one of these. And of course I left all of the cables over there. That was clever. So place that on there and we'll get this up and running soon. Let's put the pipe going into there. Is that not? Oh, that's energy. Right, that's wrong. That shouldn't be an energy one. That should be a fluid one. There we go. And that has now formed. Wonderful. So we have the controller here. Let's put the liquid processor bit in. We're going to need to take power from there up to there. And then here we will... I think I actually want to just drop this on straight onto the ground as it is, because then it'll be at the same height as the others. So a plastic moulder. The first bit is a energy hatch somewhere, and then everything else is casing. So where am I going to want the energy? I think on that side, because then I can just put it straight into there. So that will go there. Oh, actually I should have a look at where the input is. So let's have a look. If that is this way, the input will be perfect. Yeah, that's good. So let's get the machine casings, put those in, take this one out, and then where is the controller? We have the energy bit there. The controller is on this side. Output is on the left hand side and the input is on the right hand side. So that is like that, with the output on there, the energy input, so that's actually the wrong one. So the fluid input goes there, the energy input goes there. And is this, again, just need to take one more look at this. Yes, it is solid. So that bit goes there, and then the controller goes there. And then we can link up that bit to that bit there. And that should mean that all of this will work as soon as it starts up. So if we bring that into there, and then all we're going to need to do is put a hopper. I might have another hopper here. Yeah, I do. And do I have a chest? So I can put the chest on the ground, say there, and then put a hopper into it like that, and then everything should come out of there and into there. I'm hoping that's what it'll do. And so now I just need to do the cables for it, and that should be everything done. Let's go and grab some cables. The only bit I didn't bring, come on, up into the app. Let's just grab all this cable. I didn't have it on me because I had to make a load more. Right, so that goes from there to there, nice and easily. And this one goes from there up to there. So let's see. No matching recipes found. This is empty. This is full of molten propene. I think that these fluid pipes can't handle getting the hot liquids through them. So is there another type of fluid pipe in immersive engineering? Immersive, let's just see, fluid pipe. No, it is just fluid pipe and fluid outlet. Do we need a fluid outlet? I wouldn't have thought so. Still haven't quite worked out how to take this out. For now, let's use a bucket just to get the achievements. And so this is empty. That's empty. This has got nothing in it. That's got nothing in it. And that's empty. Now that's empty. Okay. No matching recipes found. This has lots of steam. This has lots of naphtha. Aha, it's filling up now. So that's empty. That's got molten plastic in it. So why isn't this pumping out? I think I'm going to need a load more of those liquid hoppers. Can I get this to go up into here? So if I take that one out and that one out, I can put one there instead and pump into like that. Is that doing anything? That should be filling up from here. Let's try jumping and putting it on. No, that's not where I wanted it at all. Nope, that's not where I wanted it at all. Let's try it this way. That's where I want it. That's not filling up. And ideally, I want to take that out. This might do it now. There we go. Aha, that's emptying out. So this is now processing. That might be working. So if I do the same with this, I need another one of these hoppers. Do I have another one available? Because this one comes out, this one's fine. That's going into there. That's going into there, okay. This isn't coming out of here, okay, though. And now we are getting plastic. We do need, however, just realised, we're going to need a bucket of this. So if we do that again, come on. We need to try and grab it out of here. So what we need to do is fill this up a little bit and get a bucket full in here. because we can just grab this out of here. It's obviously not pouring out into here like the bitumen does. Okay, so I've just done taking it off the top, taking that block off the top again, and got a bucket of this molten plastic, and that's given us that achievement. And I can put that into there. And then put that back into there, and that should flow through and become plastic. Put that back on there, and let's grab the plastic out to give us the last achievement. Big lot of lag, and welcome to Age 4. Learned advanced mapping. Gained the challenge plasticity. And we are now on Age 4. So now we have fluid pumps. That might be exactly what we need. This has just appeared. Fluid pumps from Immersive Engineering. Uses plastic, steel, mechanical components, steel plates and fluid pipes, and I think that will be enough to be able to pump that out of here and into all of this stuff. That's brilliant, amazing, wonderful. So as we are now in Age 4, let's have a look at what we've got to look forward to. Let's have a look here. We have cooking for blockheads. Oh, we get the sink. We get infinite source blocks of water wherever we want them. Excellent. We get Ardite, so we can carry on with some of the Tinker's Tools stuff. Certis quartz. We're getting there. Hulber presses. Oh yes, we're getting applied energistics soon. Oh, we get to go to the end. A solid ender eye. So that's a reusable eye of ender, one that will not break. If you want to respawn the ender dragon, craft 4 ender crystals, place them on the exit portal. Advanced ender alloy. Oh, wow. Locate purpur, ender rods, and shulker shells to create advanced ender alloy. Enhanced ender alloy. Locate Chorus in the end. Defeat the Ender Dragon. Don't underestimate my power. When you're unable to transfer energy between different mods, the power adapter block can help convert, so we can actually start running our immersive engineering stuff off RF. I think I'm really going to enjoy Age 4. Pressure chamber. Oh, pneumatocraft. Wonderful, we'll get into pneumatocraft as well. Create compressed iron ingots. Plastic mixer, create different coloured plastic sheets. Printed circuit boards. Oh, I wonder if we're going to get open computers or anything like that in this. That would be amazing. And silicon ore. Oh, I've got a little bit of silicon. I've got one of these ores. It's an unfamiliar object to me at the moment. And cooking for blockheads, able to build a lot more foods as well. What we will be doing though at some point is going back through some of this. There's some really important stuff in Age 3 that we haven't done. I haven't really needed to go through Steve's carts at all. We haven't really been using the rail stuff. I did think originally about trying to create a rail network between each of the different bases, so we can actually have a rail depot somewhere, a little railway station. Well, I might actually start building a railway station somewhere around here, and we can see between the guys on the server whether we want to build up a big train network. I think that would be really cool. I've really wanted to do that since watching Hermitcraft Season 3 and watching them do all of the train rides and stuff across the Nether Roof and all sorts. It looked really, really fun to do, and it's something that I have been thinking of since I started this season. But yeah, we'll have a look at that. So I think that is where I'm going to leave it off today. We've finally got to age 4, really glad about that, and I hope this has kind of renewed your enthusiasm for this series. I know it's been a bit samey over the last few episodes. I'm going to step away from immersive engineering now for a while, I think. For as much as we can, at least. I want to try and get some plastic to try and build some stuff with that. But yeah, we won't be building any new big machines with immersive engineering or anything. I'll try and do as much as I can off camera with that, because you've seen all the big building stuff, you don't need to see it again. So anyway, thank you very much for joining me today. If you did enjoy this episode, please leave a like, comment and subscribe on the video and to the channel, and I will. See you next time. If you enjoyed this video, please consider supporting me by subscribing to the channel and liking and commenting on the videos. Thanks. See you next time.